Hello, friends. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast, episode 101. I am Lily.
And I am Ben. Hi, everyone. How are you today? We are so happy you are here with us.
Today, we talk about something very important and nice. It is self-care. Self-care. Do you sometimes feel tired or stressed after a long day? Self-care can help you feel better.
Yes, Lily. Self-care means taking care of yourself. It is simple. It is for your body and for your mind. We will explain everything slowly so you can understand.
Exactly, Ben. Self-care is not difficult. Anyone can do it. Even if you are a beginner in English, you can learn these words and use them.
Great. Let us start. First, what is self-care? Self-care is when you give time to yourself. You do things to feel good and strong.
Right. For example, if you are tired, self-care helps you rest again. If you feel sad, self-care helps you smile again.
I like that. Why is self-care important? It gives you energy. When you take care of yourself, you can study better, work better, and be happy.
Yes, I remember one day I felt very tired. Then I did self-care. I slept more and I felt great. Self-care changes everything.
Perfect example, Lily. Listeners, if you feel tired, think about self-care. It is your friend. Now let us talk about types of self-care. First, physical self-care. Physical is for your body.
Yes, sleep is number one. Sleep is very important. You need 7 or 8 hours every night.
How do you sleep, Lily?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock and wake up at 6. The room is dark and quiet. I feel fresh in the morning. You can say this sentence, I take care of myself by sleeping well.
Wonderful phrase. Listeners, repeat in your mind. I take care of myself by sleeping well. It is easy English.
Another thing for your body is healthy food. Eat fruits and vegetables. They give you energy.
I eat an apple every morning. Apples are sweet and good. What about you, Lily?
I eat salad with tomatoes and cucumbers. It makes me strong. You can say, I take care of myself by eating healthy food.
Yes. Drink water, too. Water is self-care. 8 glasses a day is good for your body.
Exactly. Now, exercise. Exercise means moving your body. You don't need a gym.
I walk every day in the park. Walking is fun and easy. It helps my legs and my heart.
I like to dance at home. Put on music and dance. It is happy self-care. You can say, I take care of myself by exercising.
Great sentence. Repeat, listeners. I take care of myself by exercising. Start small. 10 minutes is enough.
Good. That's all for physical self-care. Now, mental self-care. Mental is for your mind.
Mental self-care helps you feel calm. Relax is a key word. Relax means rest your mind.
I listen to soft music. It helps me feel peaceful. What do you do, Ben?
I read a simple book. Books are great. Or I sit outside and look at the sky.
Nice. Take breaks too. If you study a lot, stop for 5 minutes. Breathe deep, in and out.
Breathe is easy self-care. It makes your mind quiet. You can say, I take care of myself by relaxing.
Perfect. Hobbies are mental self-care. A hobby is something you love.
My hobby is drawing. I draw pictures and I feel happy. What is your hobby, Lily?
Cooking. I cook a nice meal and it relaxes me. Cooking is self-care.
Spend time with friends or family. Talk to them. It warms your heart.
Yes, I call my sister every week. We laugh and I feel better.
Another thing, say no sometimes. If you have too much work, say no. I need time for me. It protects your energy.
That's brave and smart. Self-care is not selfish. It helps you help others too.
Now let's make a simple daily routine together. Morning self-care.
Wake up, drink a glass of water, and walk for 10 minutes.
Then eat healthy breakfast. During the day, take breaks and breathe.
Evening, listen to music, read a little, and sleep early.
Start with one thing only. Do not do everything at once. Small steps are best.
Yes, Ben. Listeners, you can do it. Self-care is for you.
Let's see how to talk about self-care with other people. It's good conversation practice.
You can ask a friend, what do you do for self-care?
Or say, I practice self-care every day. I sleep well and walk.
Let's role play quickly. Imagine we are friends.
Hi, Lily. You look a little tired today. What do you do for self-care?
Hi, Ben. I take care of myself by sleeping well and eating fruit. What about you?
I take care of myself by exercising and relaxing with music. Self-care helps me a lot.
See? It's natural and easy English. You can use these words in real life.
Yes, another phrase, self-care is important to me.
Or, I feel better when I do self-care.
Practice these. Listeners, if you feel stressed, remember self-care. It's like a hug for yourself.
Exactly. Self-care makes you strong inside and outside.
We talked about sleep, healthy food, exercise, water, hygiene for the body.
And relax, hobbies, breaks, friends, saying no for the mind.
All these things are self-care, simple and powerful.
You learned many new words today. Self-care, relax, energy, exercise, hygiene, hobby.
And useful sentences like, I take care of myself by, you can fill in the blank with anything.
Good. That is all for physical self-care. Now, mental self-care. Mental is for your mind.
Mental self-care helps you feel calm. Relax is a key word. Relax means rest your mind.
I listen to soft music. It helps me feel peaceful. What do you do, Ben?
I read a simple book. Books are great. Or I sit outside and look at the sky.
Nice. Take breaks, too. If you study a lot, stop for 5 minutes. Breathe deep, in and out.
Breathe is easy self-care. It makes your mind quiet. You can say, I take care of myself by relaxing.
Perfect. Let us talk more about mental self-care. It is very important. Your mind needs care just like your body.
Yes, one easy thing is deep breathing. You can do it anywhere, sit or stand. Put one hand on your stomach, breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Breathe out through your mouth for 4 seconds. Do it 5 times. It helps when you feel worried or fast in your head.
I do that every morning. It starts my day calm. You can say, I take care of myself by breathing deeply. Try it now, listeners. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Feel better?
Another good one is gratitude. Gratitude means say thank you for good things. Every day, think of 3 things you like. For example, I am thankful for my warm tea. I am thankful for my friend. I am thankful for the sun today.
Yes, I write them in a small notebook. It is my gratitude journal. It makes me smile. Small things become big when you say thank you. You can say, I take care of myself by practicing gratitude.
Great phrase. Repeat, listeners. I take care of myself by practicing gratitude. Write 3 things tonight before sleep.
Hobbies are mental self-care too. A hobby is something you love to do. It makes your mind happy.
My hobby is drawing. I draw pictures and I feel happy. No need to be good at it, just enjoy. What is your hobby, Lily?
Cooking. I cook a nice meal and it relaxes me. Cooking is self-care. Or I color pictures with pencils. Coloring is so calm.
Yes, coloring or drawing is easy. You can do it 10 minutes. It takes your mind away from problems.
Spend time in nature. Go outside. Look at trees, listen to birds. Even 5 minutes in a park helps. Nature is like medicine for the mind.
I sit on a bench and watch clouds. It makes me feel peaceful. You can say, I take care of myself by spending time in nature.
Positive self-talk is important too. Positive self-talk means speak kind words to yourself. Instead of, I am bad at this, say, I am learning. I can do it.
Stand in front of the mirror. Say, I am strong. I am kind. I am enough. It feels strange at first, but it helps a lot.
Yes, be your own best friend. Talk to yourself like you talk to a good friend.
Journaling is nice. Journaling means write your thoughts. Write how you feel. Write what makes you happy. No rules, just write.
I write before bed. It helps me sleep better. My mind feels lighter. You can say, I take care of myself by journaling.
Boom! Listen to music or a podcast. Soft music or funny stories make your mind smile.
Or watch something funny. Laughter is good self-care. Laughing makes happy chemicals in your brain.
Connect with people. Talk to a friend or family. Share how you feel. It is not weak, it is strong.
I call my sister every week. We laugh and I feel better. Or send a message. Hi, I miss you. Small connection helps a lot.
Say no sometimes. If you have too much, say, no thank you. I need time for me. It protects your mind.
That is brave. Self-care is not selfish. When your mind is calm, you can be kind to others.
Set small boundaries. Boundaries mean rules for yourself. Like, I do not check phone after 9 o'clock. It gives your mind rest.
Yes. Now, let's make a simple mental self-care routine.
Morning. Breathe deeply for 1 minute. Say one positive thing to yourself.
During the day, take a short break. Look outside or stretch. Think of one thing you are thankful for.
Evening. Write 3 good things. Listen to calm music or read a little.
Start with 1 or 2 things. Don't try all at once. Small steps make big change.
Listeners, your mind is important. Give it love every day.
We talked about deep breathing, gratitude, hobbies, nature, positive self-talk, journaling, music, laughter, connecting with people, saying no, and boundaries.
All these help your mind feel calm, happy, and strong.
You learned more words: gratitude, journal, positive self-talk, boundaries, and nature, and sentences like, I take care of myself by...
Use them. Say them out loud.
Great job. Keep practicing.
Now, before we finish, let us look at all the new words we used today. We will explain them slowly and clearly. You can repeat after us.
First word, self-care. Self-care means taking care of yourself, your body, and your mind. It is doing things to feel good and healthy. Example, self-care is important every day.
Next, physical. Physical means connected to your body. Physical self-care is things like sleep, food, exercise. Example, physical self-care helps my body feel strong.
Hygiene. Hygiene means keeping your body clean. Shower, brush teeth, wash hands. Example, good hygiene makes me feel fresh.
Exercise. Exercise means moving your body to stay healthy. Walking, dancing, running. Example, I do exercise in the morning.
Mental. Mental means connected to your mind and feelings. Mental self-care helps your thoughts and emotions. Example, mental self-care makes my mind calm.
Relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm, no stress. Example, I relax with music.
Breathe deeply, or deep breathing. It means take slow, big breaths to feel quiet inside. Example, I breathe deeply when I feel worried.
Gratitude. Gratitude means feeling and saying thank you for good things in your life. Example, gratitude helps we see the happy things.
Journal or journaling. A journal is a notebook where you write your thoughts and feelings. Journaling means writing in it. Example, I do journaling every evening.
Hobby. A hobby is something fun you like to do in your free time. Drawing, cooking, reading. Example, my hobby is drawing pictures.
Nature. Nature means trees, sky, birds, flowers, the world outside. Example, time in nature makes me peaceful.
Positive self-talk. Positive self-talk means saying kind and helpful words to yourself. Example, I use positive self-talk. I am learning every day.
Boundaries. Boundaries are like rules you make to protect your time and energy. Example, I set boundaries. No phone after 9 o'clock.
Laughter. Laughter means laughing. Ha ha ha. It is very good for your mind. Example, laughter is the best self-care sometimes.
Connect. Connect means talk and spend time with people you care about. Example, I connect with my family every week.
Let us practice a few sentences with these words.
I practice gratitude every day.
I breathe deeply to relax.
My hobby is cooking, and it is good mental self-care.
I spend time in nature to feel calm.
I use positive self-talk to make me stronger.
I set boundaries to protect my energy.
Journaling helps me understand my feelings.
Wonderful. Listeners, say these sentences out loud. It helps you remember the words.
You learned so many useful words today. Use them when you talk about self-care with friends or even think to yourself in English.
Small practice every day makes big progress. You are doing great.
So today we learned what self-care is, we learned why it is important, we learned many ways to do self-care for body and mind, we learned easy phrases to talk about it, and we learned many new words with their meanings.
Yes, now practice. Say the sentences out loud. Talk to a friend or to yourself in the mirror. Listen to this episode again. You are doing amazing. Keep going, friends. Self-care starts with you. We love you. See you in the next episode.
Take care of yourselves, everyone.
Bye for now.